Further to my video, My Prison Visits, where I related to you how Christopher was sent to prison for 8 years on suspicion of committing a crime, and how I supported him throughout those years because he worked for me for many years, and I always found him to be honest and trustworthy throughout those years. I told you how he had passed courses as a plumber, carpenter, repairing computers, and became a drugs rehabilitation mentor at Wayland, Norfolk, and continued when posted to an open prison near Ipswich, and had been awarded 9 diplomas, had his hand shaken by the governor for his work and good behaviour, and how he was liked by both staff and inmates. He was also allowed to work out of prison for a charity company, where again management and staff from many of their shops took to him like a duck takes to water. His release date was on Monday of this week, 19th of February. On Saturday, prior to his release, the Chariot Company held a party for him where management and staff wished him with cards and a brand new television as a going home present. On the following day, prison staff went to his cell and shook his hand, etc. On the Monday, inmates carried his baggage to the gates, and as they walked, they sang, "Swing low, sweet chariot, coming to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home." I looked over Jordan, what do I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. His girl was there to carry him home, home to where there was a job and a car waiting. from a company he had worked for in the past, and like me, always found him to be honest and trustworthy. He had to report to probation on Monday afternoon, and they sent him to the housing department as it was part of his rehabilitation program to be helped with accommodation. He was told that he could go to a church which was 1 hour away from where he was, and he would be allowed to stay there from 9 p.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning. I felt sad and sorry for the lads who will really need help when coming out of prison. No wonder so many finish up wanting to get back in. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well, he's home now, among people who trust him and really care for him. And I know that lad will make a name for himself anywhere he goes. Thank you very much for listening to me, and God bless you all.